Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a text to appear in your background. If this video is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video you will be notified. Let's dive into the video. And here we are. I don't want to show you again the process of bringing the video here. If you have been watching my video on video editing, you know how to bring this video here. Like I said, I always like to add my volume first before any other thing. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I've copied it, and we are going to be working on the down one, which is the one I want to remove background with. So I'm going to be working on this one. So I come to video, come to cutout, go to here, auto cutout, auto cutout completed. So I'm going to go to, I've already finished removing the background, and I'm going to go to enhancement, my face. We are going to be working on my face. I'm going to smoothing, then come to brightness, then I come to white teeth. Let me just increase it small. Then come to facial beauty. I don't want to touch anything in my eyes. Slim. Here, I don't want to touch anything here. Come to basic. Light. I take the warm light and I want to put it here in my fronts. We are still working on my face, and we have not started working on the background. We are still working on my face to light it up. Okay, the lightning has finished applying, and I'm going to be working on the background now. I still come back to basic, come back again to lightning. I come to the lightning again, go to ambient, and I'm choosing tag. This is for my background effects. I'm going using this on the effects, and video effects, come down, go to lens, choose blur. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, the blur is covering all of them, so I'm going to put it here. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. Then the blur is too much, I'm going to reduce it. Come to text, add text, and I'm going to type my text here. I've typed my text, then I'm going to drag it because I want it to cover my back, and in this place I'm going to drag it to the end too. What color do I want this text to have? I'm okay with the font. I can bold it, and I want it to have red color, sharp red, like this color. The character lining is okay, which is like this and like this. Then center is okay. What fonts do I want to use? Is it this? Is it this? Is it this? Anyone I like, I can use it for the text preset style. I can also change the color back to what I choose before, or I can also choose this because the background is already sharp. So let's think style of the text is okay. Position which is the style of the text is okay. Thickness, is it that thick enough for me? I can also to change that red to something else. I'm trying different styles and different background for you. Calm down. Let's see what glow is. Okay, as you can see, glow will make it to have a white shadow. I can still choose color for the glow, intensity, range. See how it is. This is fine. It's beautiful. Come to bubble. I don't want to put anything there. Don't want to put background on the effect. Then come down to effect, text effect. If I want it to be this way, I can choose it. Come down. I think I like this color here. See this text. I think I like it. Come down. There are other effects of the text that you can also choose. Come down. I'm just trying to go around, so you can play around the text to also make your own choice. So let me finally make my choice, the one I want to use, which is this or this, but I prefer this other one. I'm going to use this. Now it's time for me to put it at the back. Shift the text and drag the one you remove background. Let it come down and see your text so you can arrange it. Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a text to appear in your background. If this video is what you want to see, please do well to stay to the end. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will be notified. Let's dive into the video. This is how to make a text to appear in your background. If you get any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will be notified. See you.